Hey everyone, okay, so a couple of weeks ago I filmed a video on the new Hourglass Unreal Liquid Blusher, which is here. And I think I bought three shades, and I purchased a fourth one, which is this one here called Whim, which is this really pretty pink colour. Now, in the video that I reviewed it on, I reviewed it incredibly favourably and I used my fingers as an application. A brush is so much better. Now, I love this product. I love a cream blusher. Liquids are great, but I love a cream. This is becoming holy grail status. I want to show you this color because it's so amazing at making the face just look really flushed, if that's what you want. I always bear in mind, I'm a big fan of blush, but I understand that with women it's a lot different because there's lipstick and gloss and eyeshadow and everything. So the applications that I sometimes do on myself to brighten my face may be too much for some people. Now this product is 10.5 mils and 10.3 mils, and you need one single drop. So I'm going to just show you. There it is. That's all you need. I'm going to take a brush and I'm going to dip it into the product so you can see it on the back of the hand. And I'm just going to sweep this lightly across the cheekbones, down the bridge of the nose, and in this arc section here. And whatever's left on the back of my hand, I'm going to rub in. And now I'm going to blend this in. This gives the perfect pink flushed effect. My skin's quite tanned at the moment, so this would work great on somebody with a skin tone that is perhaps 1 or 2 shades deeper than mine currently. It's a little on the cool side as well, but there's something about this color that I just love. And with a brush application, it just becomes something entirely different and beautiful. And I love this effect that it instantly gives you this incredible warmth to the skin that looks real. It dries down matte. There's no visible particles of shimmer. There's a little bit of shine, but it's really quite minute. It is so natural. Now you could add longevity to this by perhaps putting a touch of powder blusher over it. It's entirely up to you, but it is the most beautiful product. It really is. At the bottom of this base here, there's a little sort of spongy bit that you just press to dispense. Press very lightly. This will last a very long time given the fact that you need so little product. It is so good, and it's not sponsored. I bought all of these myself. It's so good. So there you go. I'll leave links and everything in the description bar, but it just revives the skin, makes it look flushed, makes it look alive, makes it look healthy. I love it. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you all soon. Bye-bye.